Welcome to 1 Minute Science. We are looking at some exam technique and we're remembering that questions that you might come across belong to the legacy material. They belong to the old specification. The questions that you see now in front of you from the new specification will have an increased demand. They want more from your answers than was accepted before. So when you're doing questions in class with your teacher, what might appear as correct on the mark scheme isn't correct anymore, and your teacher might tell you that, and if you want to argue with them, that is the reason why we need more from today's specification. The question we're looking at today is, when you get asked, and you can be asked it in GCSE or you can be asked it in A-level, why might somebody object to using, for example, stem cells? Now here on the back, the board here, I've got 6 responses that I found from my students in their mock exams just this last January. So the question is, some people disagree with the use of stem cells because of the risk of cancer. Give one other reason why some people might disagree with the use of stem cells to create new organs for transplant. So here we go, we've got 6 answers. Ethical and religious reasons. Back in the day, that might have been accepted. You only had to say that there were ethical reasons or religious reasons. Now, the new specification wants you to explain what those reasons are. So you wouldn't get the mark for that. There are moral and ethical reasons, as some may see it as cloning body parts. Okay, you'd get the mark for that. You're cloning body parts, you're creating an embryo just so you can make body parts. That's an ethical enough reason, so you get the mark for that. Simply writing it's against a religion or a culture, not enough information. Ethical concern, not enough information. However, this next answer, some religions may say a life is a life from conception, so you're actually killing a person to get those stem cells. That is an answer, because you're explaining what it is about the religion that they might actually object to. And question 6, this is a popular answer amongst a lot of students. I think it comes from their exposure to the new psychology GCSE, where they're saying ethical reasons. For example, the embryo can't give its consent. It can't choose or elect to be part of stem cell research. So correct, wrong, correct, wrong, wrong, correct, correct.